Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn another problem. What is that? 1 kilogram of ammonia is contained in a spring loaded piston cylinder. So there is a the system is ammonia, and what is the weight of the ammonia? 1 kg, right? Which is contained in a piston cylinder arrangement, which is spring loaded. That means piston cylinder arrangement is a spring loaded, right? Or in which there is a saturated liquid at what temperature? Minus 20 degrees centigrade, as shown in figure. There is a figure. Heat is added from a reservoir at 100 degrees centigrade. That means a heat is added from the surrounding to the system, and what is the surrounding temperature? 100 degrees centigrade, until its final condition. That means the system condition final. This is a final, right? Find the work, heat transfer and entropy generation. Assume the process is internally reversible. Internally reversible, that means what is your internally reversible? Internally reversible, that means movement moves in a quasi equilibrium process. That means piston moves in quasi equilibrium process, right? Moves in a quasi equilibrium process. Okay, now, right, so the system is ammonia and the mass of the system is 1 kg is given, right? So what is that? There is a cylinder. This is your cylinder and this is your piston. Okay, so this is your piston, this is your cylinder and this is your piston, and there is a spring, right? This is your spring. So this is our system. So this is our system. This is our system, right? This is ammonia. This is your ammonia, right? And we add, this is your surrounding. There is a surrounding of temperature. What is that? 100 degrees centigrade. 100 degrees centigrade. If heat will transfer, the heat is transferred. The heat is transferred. Heat is transferred to the system. Heat is transferred to the system, right? So the final condition is 800 kilopascal and 70 degrees Celsius. So at state 1, what is that? State 1, what is that? T1. T1 temperature is minus 20 degrees centigrade, and the condition is x1 is equal to 0. Why? Because saturated liquid. This is saturated liquid. Okay, so at the saturated liquid, if this is saturated liquid, so what is the saturation pressure at this condition? So P1 is the P set is what? It is at what temperature? At minus 20 degrees centigrade. You have from table, and along with what is the specific volume? That means what is the specific volume? VF1 at minus 20 degrees centigrade. This is from table, from NH3 table, right? Now if you supply a heat right? That's shown in figure. Heat is added from the reservoir at 100 degrees until the final condition is there. So what is the final condition? So state 2, what is that? T2 is 70 degrees centigrade, and what is P2? P2 is 800 kilopascal, right? So from the table, if we see ammonia table, NH3 table, so this is your in superheated state. Superheated state. So if this is a superheated state, so X, what is that? X is equal to superheated, so there is no value of X, there is no need of X. So from a superheated table, you have, from this you have V2, right? When you have V2, right? So what is the final volume you have? M into V2, and M is 1 kg, and from this we have also specific volume, so we have V1. What is the initial volume? M into V1, right? So you have one, also this one. So V1 and V2 you have after heat addition. So we can easily find, this is a closed system, so this is a closed system, so we find boundary work. So what is that? W1 to 2 integration 1 to 2 pdv, right? And the resistance is spring, resistance pressure is spring. So what is the spring? If you integrate that, if P1 plus P2 into V2 minus V1 expansion, so you have P1, you have P2, you have V1, you have V2, so you have 97.768 kilojoule. Okay, now we have, okay, so find the work transfer, heat transfer. So what is the heat transfer? So the heat transfer, the second law, first law, from the first law, what is that? Q1 to 2 is equal to M U2 minus U1 plus W1 to 2, right? So you have M. So what is your U1? U1 is what? U1 at UF1 at minus 20 degrees centigrade, you have, what is U2? U2 is U superheated and superheated. This is from NH3 table, right? So what is your 144.7.3 kilojoule? This is your heat transfer. Now what is that? Entropy generation. So this is internally irreversible. So the entropy generation is totally. So the second law, what is the second law? What is the second law? M S2 minus S1 is equal to Q1 to 2 by T naught plus S generation. So this is from table. find out from table, from NH3 table, right? And you have Q1 to 2, you have T naught, this is your surrounding temperature, that means T infinite you have. So you have total entropy generation. So total entropy generation is what? 1.307 kilojoule per calorie. So this is the process will possible, right? So if we put here, T of the system, so according to this we have calculate S generation. So this is your internal internal entropy generation. So this is your internally irreversibility. So entropy generation due to internal entropy generation. Entropy generation. But what is that? Internally it is irreversible, but internally it is reversible. Internally, what is that? It is reversible. So entropy is total, right? Net entropy generation. Net entropy generation. Okay, so this is your all about, right? Okay, thank you very much.